precision engineered for analytical excellence. Meet our comprehensive sample vial collection, offering both screw-thread vials and crimp top vials to meet your specific analytical requirements. Constructed with thickened walls for exceptional chemical resistance, these vials withstand acidic and alkaline solvents, while maintaining structural integrity through repeated use. Featuring precise graduation markings and writable surfaces for easy sample identification. Available in both transparent and brown options to protect light-sensitive compounds. Our advanced TFE or silicone septa withstand temperatures from 60°C to 200°C. The 1 mm bonded design provides superior needle protection for automated sampling systems. Choose from 3 specialized PP cap configurations: headspace caps for GC analysis, pre-slit caps for frequent access, and solid caps for maximum sample protection, all including integrated septa with standardized dimensions and polished stable bases. Our vials ensure reliable performance across multiple analytical platforms and automated systems. Thank you for watching.